All right, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe an actor or actress whom you admire. Yes, please.
I'm very fond of watching TV serials and movies. I admire all those actors and actresses who live their roles. Here I will talk about one Pakistani drama actor, Junaid Khan, who has really impressed me with his acting. He In all the role he has played, it looked like he is the real actor. He is the actual character, and is just living his role. In He did minor role in the career of his acting. He played a negative role in his drama Kuch Khas, which is very popular, and he became famous with this drama. He did all sorts of acting. He did all sorts of character in a very well, in a very he did all sort of character and added life to all the
Okay, thank
characters.
you so much. 1 minute, 10 seconds. Overall, it's fine. Fluency is the issue, and then you're
Yes.
repeating yourself. One sentence you speak, then you say it again, then you
Okay.
go to the third sentence, then once again you repeat, then you go on to the next one, and you're speaking sentence by sentence. Try to
Okay.
speak fully, I mean, without any pause, without any break. You are speaking like sentence number one, sentence number two, sentence number three. This is the enemy of fluency. Okay, try to
Okay.
go on together. As I'm speaking now,
Yes.
I'm not taking any break, I'm just going on. So just try to speak fluently. Now, we have speaking part 3. Are actors or actresses very interested in their work?
Yes, they are interested in their work. That's why they. That's why. Uh,
Mm-hmm. What can children learn from acting?
they they learn they can fascinate
Now,
from.
for part 3, your answers are not satisfactory. I mean, you're
Okay.
not having proper content for part 3. So,
Yes.
focus part 3. The way you performed in the light of, I mean, part 3, no performance. So, this type of speaking will give you maximum 4 band. So, you'll have
Okay.
to work hard. Okay? Thank
Okay.
you.